Less than 30 miles outside of Detroit is the city of Belleville. Known for its tree-lined neighborhoods, this city also houses one of DENSO's 4 logistics centers. Starting off with 13 associates in 2007, they have since grown to over 70. Let's take a look.
My name is Dan Schleicher, and I joined DENSO in June of 1998. We function as one team, but there's 2 elements of it. There's our production control staff, and that's the team that's issuing the orders to all our suppliers. The suppliers deliver. When their delivery arrives at our facility, the logistic team takes over. They unload, validate that the correct parts are received, and then they put away. Before we ship to our customers, we, in many cases, have to repack the parts into specific packaging the customer requires. So we've experienced great growth and continuous contribution to DENSO North America. It's rewarding to know that this company we work for is providing for so many people and is so committed to making sure these people that are healthy and safe when they go home to their families. And again, that's truly inspirational and truly something that I really value and respect about DENSO and our logistics centers.